Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best epoxy resin for jewelry on the market for this year. First we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best epoxy resin for jewelry. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Creating with resin is an easy and inexpensive way to get started making your own jewelry. You don't have to invest in precious metals or expensive equipment, and many resin jewelry making techniques can be learned from the comfort of your own home. You can use resin to make earrings, rings, bracelets, pendants, necklaces, and more. If you want to make jewelry with resin, you are likely asking yourself, what is the best resin for jewelry? What a great question! There are a few things you need to know before you choose a resin for jewelry making. While you can use marine resins, flooring resins, and other utility resins you can find at home improvement stores for making jewelry, you won't be happy with the results. These resins mix with an amber tint and may not cure as clear as a resin for jewelry. These resins may also not contain UV additives to help keep them clear and will yellow quicker than jewelry resins. Number 1. FGCI 1 gallon epoxy resin for jewelry. This special epoxy resin, especially for artists, is excellent for coating, casting, and resin arts. You can start your project whether you're a beginner or a professional, as it is a user-friendly product. It is naked, zero VOCs and odor-free for better and quality air while working. For a perfect and creative process, its working time should be 40 minutes or more. You can add this crystal clear high gloss coat to any surface, as it has a glass-like appearance which is rock hard and very durable. At the very end, it produces a gorgeous and beautiful looking finished product, especially when used with pastes, resin dyes, alcohol inks, and more. It is a unique fast curing resin that can be fully cured within 24 hours and long-lasting results. Pros: it is very easy to use, straightforward with no confusion, has fantastic color stability. It is the best for all casting, coating, and art projects. It is crystal clear and odor-free. Satisfaction is guaranteed. Cons: produces bubbles if the resin isn't heated. Number 2. Gentian 16-ounce epoxy resin for jewelry. This casting resin is fully resistant to yellowing and non-toxic, which will certainly remain clear. Made of premium quality and is 100% safe for indoor and outdoor use with low odor and no dangerous reaction. This product can be used for multiple projects such as jewelry making, DIY resin art, river tables, casting, and more. A suitable product for beginners and artists, is easy to use and contains UV inhibitors that help resist yellowing. The material of this epoxy resin is food safe and is usually used for items used around food such as trays, glassware, and tumblers. Ideal for casting jewelry includes pendants, rings, earrings, figurines, DIY crafts, etc. It is also very useful to create excellent gifts for people who will turn out so beautiful and gorgeous. It takes about 8 to 24 hours to cast, since it is always readily affected by environmental factors such as temperature. Pros: it has UV inhibitors that help to resist yellowing. It is crystal clear and VOC free, low odor and no dangerous reaction, 100% safe around food. It is versatile, easy to mix and apply, non-toxic. Cons: takes about 24 hours or more to cure. Number 3. FGCI 0.75 gallon epoxy resin for jewelry. This deep pour epoxy resin kit makes sure you can pour thicker and higher than 2 to 4 inches, depending on the pour volume. Though it can be hard but dies to its resistance to heat, it prevents warping, and it can protect your work from damage and provides it with a strong structure with no flexing. It has a thinner viscosity with bubble-releasing attributes that help to give the finished product a bubble-less finish with depth and clarity. The liquid is clear, hard, and more workable to use within all casting applications such as void-filling live edge tables, casting arts, river tables, and even jewelry casting. For small projects like jewelry or ring molds, ensure you don't mix anything less than 1 pint at a time. If less, it is much easier to make a common mistake that leads to curing issues. Pros: yellow less and remains ultra crystal clear over a longer period. Easy to measure and pour. Lasts long. Suited for accepting and dispersing liquid pigments, alcohol inks and dyes. Odor-free and zero VOCs. Cons. Oil-based paint, acrylic paints are not recommended to use with epoxy as they have negative results. Dry time is 72 hours. Number 4. Ecopoxy Flowcast 1.5L Epoxy Resin for Jewelry. Flowcast is perfect for thick pours with the ability to cast up to 1.5 thick and perfect for any other deep pour applications or casting in silicone molds. It cures to a white-like appearance with no ambering like the others and has an excellent air release with a low exothermic heat buildup, producing a crystal clear, strong finish that resists stress cracking. Ecopoxies are known for their durability and their extremely strong bond to whatever they cure, to making them perfect for deep pours. Also used for large projects and other works of art. It is ideal for casting, encapsulating, molding, and more. Has a low odor and can be machined using the tools you already have for woodworking. Pros. Low odor. It does not create too many bubbles. Easy to use and eco-friendly. Durable. Cons. Its curing time is extremely long, a bit expensive. Number 5. Total Boat Thickset 1.3 Gallon Epoxy Resin for Jewelry. This high-performance epoxy kit has a naturally clear and glossy finish when fully cured. It has a low viscosity that is great for hand layups, coating, laminating and vacuum bagging. Either slow, medium or fast hardener allows you to know the right amount of working time. Example, for large projects or complicated glue-ups, use a 2:1 slow hardener to get enough time before the glue sets up. Measure the weights of both the slow and medium hardener by dispensing 100 parts of resin to 45 parts of hardener, while for the fast hardener, simply dispense 100 parts of resin to 46 parts of hardener. It is ideal for filling gaps to create a smooth surface, undergoes superior adhesion, 100% waterproof and bonds readily with fiberglass and other reinforcement fabrics, wood, steel and more. Its cured flexibility is most especially suitable for wooden boats that flex when used or that changes temperature and humidity. Pros. Its low odor makes it perfect for use. It stabilizes spalted woods. It is ideal for filling up gaps to create a very smooth surface. Low viscosity and strong cohesion. Safe for potential food contact. Cons. It's a bit expensive. It takes a long time to fully cure. Depending on the size of the epoxy, fast takes 2 days, medium takes 3.5 days and slowly takes 5 days to cure.